What if I told you that improving by just 1% every day could transform your entire life in 1 year? That's not motivation, that's math. And that's exactly what James Clear reveals in Atomic Habits. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the 4 laws that can rewire your life, one tiny habit at a time. The power of tiny changes. Small habits don't seem powerful until you realize how they compound. James Clear says if you get 1% better every day for a year, you'll be 37 times better. But if you get 1% worse each day, you'll almost hit 0. He calls this the aggregation of marginal gains, small improvements that stack over time. Example, the British cycling team was terrible for decades. Then they started improving everything by 1%, cleaner uniforms, better pillows, even hand washing to avoid colds. Within 5 years, they dominated the Olympics and Tour de France. The same rule applies to your life. Success is built through small, consistent wins. The 4 laws of behavior change. James Clear gives us a simple system to build good habits and break bad ones, the 4 laws of behavior change. Let's break them down one by one. Law 1, make it obvious. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Your environment shapes your behavior more than motivation ever can. For good habits. Want to read more? Keep a book on your bed. Want to drink more water? Place bottles where you sit. Want to exercise? Lay out your clothes the night before. For bad habits, invert it. Want to stop scrolling? Delete social media apps. Want to eat healthy? Don't buy junk food. Use the habit stacking formula. After current habit, I will new habit. Example, after I make my coffee, I will meditate for 2 minutes. It's not about discipline, it's about design. Law 2, make it attractive. Your brain loves rewards, not after, but in anticipation. That's why making habits attractive helps them stick. Try temptation bundling, pair what you need to do with what you want to do. Watch your favorite show only while working out. Listen to podcasts only while cleaning. Get your favorite coffee only after finishing your morning routine. Also, use a motivation ritual. Do something you enjoy right before a hard task. Over time, your brain links that good feeling to the habit. Example, listen to your favorite 2-minute song before studying. Soon, that song becomes your focus trigger. Law 3, make it easy. The best habit is the one that's easiest to start. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Use the 2-minute rule. Read 30 pages, read 1 page. Do yoga for 30 minutes, take out your mat. Study for 1 hour, open your notebook. Once you start, momentum keeps you going. Reduce friction for good habits. Keep guitar out, not in the case. Prep your meals every Sunday. Keep your journal on your pillow. Increase friction for bad habits. Unplug your TV. Log out of social media. Keep your phone in another room while working. Simplicity beats motivation every time. Law 4, make it satisfying. We repeat what feels rewarding. The problem? Good habits have delayed rewards, while bad ones feel good instantly. Fix that by making good habits immediately satisfying. Use a habit tracker, mark an X every day you stick to your habit. Don't break the chain. Have an accountability partner, tell someone about your goals. Reward yourself for consistency, finish 7 workouts. Buy new gym gear. And follow the never miss twice rule. Missing once is okay. Missing twice starts a new bad habit. Slip up? Restart immediately. The identity-based approach. Here's the secret most people miss. Don't focus on what you want to achieve, focus on who you want to become. Instead of saying, I want to lose 10 kilograms, say, I'm a healthy person. Instead of I want to write a book, say, I'm a writer. Every action you take is a vote for your new identity. You're not chasing goals, you're becoming the kind of person who naturally achieves them. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Atomic Habits teaches us that real success is built on tiny, consistent improvements. Start with one small habit today, and watch how your entire life changes. Which habit will you start with? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing book summaries every week.